Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the product in your Stripe account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after that we have to open there. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the more option. So let's click on the more option, and after clicking on the more option you will get the different types of option here. Now we have to go to the product catalog. So let's click on the product catalog, and after clicking on this, as you can see, currently I have this active one product, so I have added this product. So if you want to add a new product, you have to click on the add a new product, and after clicking on this we have to provide the details. Like I'm going to add the car here, and now we have to provide a description. You can also add that. For example, I'm going to add the random one. If you want to upload an image, you can also do that, and as you can see, some details like I'm going to keep the price $50, and after that billing period monthly, and after that you have to provide these basic details, and then you have to hit the add product, and after clicking on add product, your product will be added in your product catalog. So as you can see now, it's added. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. You have to click on this edit product. So let's click on the edit product, and after clicking on this, now you can edit each and every information in your product catalog. So in this way you can add a product. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add a product in your Stripe account. So see you guys in the next video.